Okay, my people, I am back again. Yes, with another bonge vegetable soup. So I told a friend of mine to request any soup she wants me to cook online for her, and she requested vegetable soup. And guess what? You know, Marthaalwell, in this page, we don't joke at all. So I went down to business. I went to the shops of shops to get all these ingredients to prepare this vegetable soup. Let me show you how. The first thing we're going to be using is dry fish. You see dry fish? I don't joke with them in my vegetable soup. It's better I don't eat vegetable soup because if there's no dry fish, I won't make it. Dry fish must be there. And now the stock fish. For this, because it's for her, hey, I went to the cords of cords. For the pepper, for heat, I'm going to be using well bought pepper and the other long pepper for it as well. This is my okazi. Yes, I'll be adding okazi to the soup. My spinach, we also know as water leaf. Now I'll just wash this. I wash this with some vinegar, or you can use salt, whatever you like to use to wash your vegetable, but I prefer using vinegar to give it a proper clean. I added some onion. For my meat, I'm using shaki, pomo, beef, cow tribe. I just went ahead and seasoned this with some thyme, curry, paprika, oregano, chicken stock, and my all-purpose ginger and garlic paste. I'll stir this and I'll cover this to cook in my pressure pot. I added some water into this. I'll stir this around. I'll cover it to cook. I added some stock fish later on, the cod. Now let's get down to business. For vegetable soup, if you don't have oil, palm oil, don't even think about it, because when you want to make correct vegetable soup, you have to be generous with the oil. Added some onion, added some locust beans. This is optional if you don't want it. Now for my stock fish, I don't know how you clean your dry fish, but for me, this is how I clean my dry fish. I just go in with some hot water and some salt, allow this to soak for a while. So the pepper base, I fry. I'll go in with some seasoning cube, some crayfish. I'll allow this to fry properly. Now I'm going to add my stock fish because I want it to soak in the juice of the pepper mix. You get what I mean? Now it's time for me to add my vegetables. I'll go in with my spinach first, or water leaf, but here I use spinach. I added some kale. This is optional if you don't want to add kale, but I added some kale into the leaf. I'll just cover this and allow this to cook for some minutes. I'll come back to this, stir this around. Remember, it's vegetable soup and you don't want to be eating vegetable soup and you'll be seeing water everywhere. Now you add your okazi leaf. Okazi leaf will give it that hold. It will hold it, balance it very well. Will balance everything very well. You adjust your salt, adjust your seasoning, adjust your oil. You just stir this around. At some point, I cover this and allow this to cook. Now, our vegetable, it is ready. Oh, yeah. Where is Inedima? Bring your swallow, bring your pounded yeah, anything you want to use to enjoy this. Just bring it here. I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for always sharing my videos. God bless you, and I love you all. Cheers. Bye.